What's up, Uncraters? Today on Uncrate Remedy, I have a great product for you. Possibly the greatest so far, I don't know. How about intern, you actually give that to... Jesus. Alright, so here we have the crates. Let me open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. Now, some of you are going to think this is a little cringe, but personally, there's nothing I like more than Fidget Spinner Frenzy. It's a new release, okay? It's got 5 songs and a fidget spinner included, and you can spin along as you listen. That's great. I think that's the most perfect product yet. So I'm gonna open this up. Alright, now, although I might like to just listen to this alone, Fidget Spinner Frenzy, the album that it is, the CD that it is, deserves 2 people to listen to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna invite my good friend Craig from behind the scenes to come on out here, Craig, come on. And he is going to help me with this as we get
I need to go to the bathroom.
Oh, you done? Alright, we got back with us Craig. You enjoy taking care of business?
Hey guys.
That's a good joke.
I forgot my glasses.
Come on, man. There we go. You good?
Okay.
You good? You ready?
Yep.
You ready? Alright. Let us unbox, or uncrate, or rip open this fantastic album. You see this? What do you think about this so far? What are your first impressions?
Now, the specs on this one look pretty bad. It looks kind of cheap. Not even manufactured in Germany like standard fidget spinners.
Wait, what do you mean?
We're looking on a, let's see,
It's fidget spinner.
3.2 millimeter.
Dude, you're overthinking this. It's a fidget spinner album.
It's a little tacky.
Tacky.
Yeah.
I have a go back in time a little bit. Get one of these bad boys so we can play this CD for you right here on the show.
I need the knife.
Need the knife?
Yeah.
No, just do it with your hands. Or intern, you want to get that? Intern, get the.
Oh, I got
Get
it.
the knife. There you go.
Oh, I got it.
Don't play with me. Don't give me the knife. Give me the.
Flashbacks
Here.
to high school.
Oh, we already got it. Too late. All right. So let me open this up.
I broke it.
I mean, a mistake in the manufacturing. One of these little black circle. What do you call them? You're the expert. Rims.
Gyroscopic containers.
Gyroscopic containers. Wow. So as you can see, it spins fine. I put that back into place. Craig, would you say this is up to standards?
It's a little bulky. It's got a little too much plastic around the sides.
Yeah, but it works, right? It works.
Kind of.
Craig, does it work?
I guess it does.
Okay, then that's all we need. Obviously, this was not as expected. I was hoping it would be a more quality. I mean, Fidget Spinner Frenzy, I heard great things about. I mean, just look at the album art. I think that is, oh, that's fantastic. So I'm gonna put this in here, and we're gonna get to listening. I'm gonna turn on the power CD. Let's see if this works. Oh, Craig, you brought your own fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Ah, it's fantastic. It throws back. Thank you. Finally, something's done right. Alright, let's get a spin on. Alright, so we got this music queued up. This sounds like something I want to spin to. Intern, can I have some hand cream just to make sure my hands are all nice? Intern? Okay, you know what? I'll just go without it. Let's spin. Had enough of this. Sorry. I got my hand cream right here. Craig's, he's already way ahead of me. I'm gonna.
I need him. My mom said it.
Your mom? You still live with your mom now?
What? Yeah. No problem with that.
Alright. Trying to find the right choice of words. But, get off my jacket.
I have too much hand.
No. Alright, so my hands are feeling really good. I think it's time to start spinning again. Oh yeah. Craig, you feeling that? Craig, you feeling that? I'm feeling it. Gotta let it. Craig, what's wrong? What's wrong? Alright, I'm gonna skip to the next song and see if that changes anything. Alright, so this is our old boombox. We're gonna change it to song number 2, track 2. Now let me just go to the names. So that first one was Tonight. This one is It's Whoa for what the? Wait a minute, what is that title? What is that? I can't read that. That's not English. It 12-4. I don't know, but I'm liking how it's going so far. It might not be English, but it's something. Yeah, spin it. There we go, Craig. You do this? Can you do one thumb? Can you exchange fingers?
No.
That's okay.
That's a little dangerous.
Like so, the origin of the fidget spinner was to just help with fidgeting. It is relaxing, but this is taking it to a whole new level. This is what I love about new products. They completely change the game. Okay, I had never thought of a fidget spinner as like an art form, and that's what this is. This is now a hobby. This is an activity. This is something you have a passion for and you do. And I'm digging it. You digging it, Craig?
Yeah.
Left button. Left button. Left button. Right, come on. Track 3. Track 3. I did 2 paradise. Oh, shoot. Let me get my fidget spinner. Intern, throw it. Intern, I know you have it. You are out of here. Give it back. Give it. Throw it. Throw it right now. Don't play games. Throw the thing. Alright, so after finishing our review of the product, I have to say I'm quite impressed. I don't know about you, Craig, but although the original quality of the fidget spinner itself may have lacked, as you could see, the, what do you call it, gyroscopic?
Yeah, gyroscopic containers.
Containers.
Yeah.
2 of them have now fallen off, but it still spins, still does its job, and that soundtrack, that was straight fire, man. Right? Would you agree?
Yeah.
I could spin to that any day of the week.
When you guys are done with, can I take it home? The soundtrack.
I don't see why not, but that's something we can discuss after that. But it's really good quality. I like the sound. We only got through, I think, 3 of the songs on camera. The rest were amazing. Very good, but so far, I have to say, I'm very impressed. Do we have a price, cameraman? What was it, Miles? What was the price on this thing?
$6.97.
$6.97. Now that is a bargain. If I hear one, where do we get it?
Walmart.
Gotta go to Walmart, man. I have to say, I'm quite impressed. Go to your local Walmart today and buy one of these fantastic albums, and you can have just loads and loads of spinning fun. It's really a frenzy, to be honest. It's just fantastic. All right, I think that does it. Craig's kind of absorbed in his own world. I'm gonna say like, subscribe, comment on this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for coming to Uncrate Remedy. I'm Cole. This is Craig. See you next time. Yeah, you can go. Craig. Adios.